Hi guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to talk about a question that we got from a viewer. NW Off-Roading has asked for more information about the oil absorption pad and closed loop system. So pretty much what the oil absorption pad does is absorb oil. It also is really good at catching debris like paint chips and corrosion, so it gives you that extra filtration. The way that you use it is you pretty much take the oil absorption pad that looks like this. You can get these off of our website, and you place it in the top sedimentation tank, and it catches oil and debris. And the water should still be able to go down into your bottom basin through the spigot, as water is still going to be able to come through the pad. Other add-ons that would be helpful is the closed loop system itself. This is really good for recirculating water. This is the only instance really where you use an oil absorption pad. Great for keeping your machine clean in the event of using a closed loop add-on. Another recommended additive could be antimicrobial, which is yet another way of just keeping your machine clean and free of microbes. And don't forget, we also offer free applications testing if you want to see if this process would be beneficial for your surface cleaning needs or surface finishing. You're welcome to visit our website or give us a call at 828-202-5563.